Hey Grace and Slimes. Today I got a new squishy package and yeah, let's open it. Here is the package in the back. Yeah, here it is and I'm excited to open it because yeah, let's just open it. Oh my God. It's my jumbo Hello Kitty bread loaf, and this is, I wanted this a long time, and this was $1, and I'm super excited. So yeah, let's open it. It feels so soft. It's so soft. Okay, let's give it a squish. This is really slow rising. And this is a Hello Kitty bread loaf, and it's really slow rising. And when I saw it, I wanted it, and yeah, it smells like bread, but it's super soft. It's really sticky and it smells super good. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me opening a new squishy package. And I want, like, it's super soft. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, guys, bye.